habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my meaning won't be lost or misconstrued, so I'll repeat myself. At the risk of being crude, there must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. Just slip out the back, Jack. Yeah, you're making new plans, man. Don't need to be caught, boy. Yeah, listen to me. Better hop on the bus. Don't need to scratch much. You drop off to Keely. Hey, get some. Slip out the back, Jack. Yeah, make new plans, stand. Don't need to be caught. Take nothing from me. So to see you in such pain, I wish there was something I could do to make you smile again. I said, I appreciate that. Would you please explain about those 50 ways? She said, why don't we both just sleep on it tonight? And I believe in the morning you'll begin to see the light. And then she kissed me and I realized she probably was right. There must be 50 ways to leave love. 50 ways, 50 ways. Just slip out the back, Jack.